Hi everybody, welcome to Crafty Aims Workshop, and today is going to be not a diamond painting video. I'm sure some of you are so happy about that. Today is an unboxing of a craft, but it's not like what I normally do. So let's just get into it. I'm going to show you and then y'all can tell me what you think. Got this off of Amazon. What got me wanting to get this is I was doing my Bible scripture writing, and one of the verses were talking about instruments. So I started looking for this particular instrument, and then that got me looking at other instruments, and so now I came across this. This is called a kalimba. I think I'm understanding that it's an instrument made or started out in Africa, if I'm not mistaken. So another reason I got this is because we went shopping in our local area here, and one of the stores had a kalimba in there. And it was in a coconut though, and it only had like 7 notes on it or whatever. But when I was plucking them, I was just engrossed with it. So I thought, I'm gonna look that up. So let's see here. So this is from Amazon, and I don't see the store name at the moment. So this is the pack that you get with it. I don't know if you all know, I collect instruments and hardly use them. I have a weakness. I'm a instrument hoarder, I guess you might say. So on this, okay, so let me show you what a kalimba is. You don't know what a kalimba is? You may or may not know what a kalimba is. So this is a kalimba. Oh, how pretty. Oh, that's just the right size too. Pretty good. So this is from Unokki, U-N-O-K-K-I. It's got a hollow body in it. It's got 2 holes on the back. And it's got a beautiful design outside of it. And some of this looks like letters, so I'm going to have to see if I can figure out what they are or or anything at all. But look at that. The only problem I'm having right now is it looks like there's water damage or something. I don't know. It looks funny. Let me see if I can bring it up to you. I don't know if you can see that, but it looks like almost there's, I don't know. I just need to wash it. Maybe that's all I need to do is just clean it. But let you see close up. So my hands are pretty small. My residents like to tell me that. I had one resident, every time I would go to help her get dressed, she'd look down at my hands and goes, "You have such little hands." So my hands are, let's see, so about 6.5 inches from the end of my palm up to my middle finger. So that might give you an idea. This is a little over 7 inches long, and at the widest point it is 5 1/4. So, I can't wait to learn how to play this. I think what I'm gonna do, if I do anything with this, is I am going to do it on my other channel, which I have not done anything on lately. I was using it for my nursing journey, but I have other journeys that I'm doing now, so I'm thinking about doing some, maybe if I get into it, we'll see, doing some music with this. That sounds so pretty. I love it. Okay, so there's that. Okay, it also comes with a tuning fork. If I'm understanding correctly, if something doesn't sound right, you just tap on the keys to make it a more higher pitch, or push it down to make it a lower pitch. But we'll see. I'm going to use my tuners that I have. You can also use an app. Supposedly there's several apps out there to tune your instruments with, so you can always do that. It comes with a book, Best Gift for Kids and Friends. It's 10 keys, or 17. Oh, this one is the 17 key. What everything is on here. Getting to know your kalimba. Caring for it, fixing a bus, tuning it. Then it shows you the notes on here. I'm understanding that it is in the C, what do you call it? C range. It's showing you how to do scales, I guess, here. And then showing you posture on how to hold your kalimba. And then this is showing you how to read the tabs. These are the tabs, I'm understanding, I think. And so anytime you see like a black dot, that's the one that you're going to play here. So this one is a G. So it tells you how to play music on it. So like a single melody practice. And there's several there. And then they've got You Are My Sunshine. That's neat. I like it. Let's see. There's Happy Birthday, Ode to Joy, Snow Dreams. And so as you're plucking, you're going up, just like in one of those player pianos, how they would tick it as it goes. And that's what this is doing. You're just doing the same thing, only with your fingers. And you always start from the bottom or work your way up. So, okay, so there's the book. You get a really nice velvety bag to put this in. So that's nice. And then you have your tabs that, if you don't see, this one comes with it already engraved. But if you can't see them, they also give you these that you can put on each of the tines. So I may or may not do that. And then these you put up here, and I can't remember right now why you do that, so I don't know. And then this also comes with a little cleaning cloth. That's pretty. It's got a little design on it. So let's see if it helps take off those watermarks or whatever that is. I don't know what that is. It does. So it just needed to be buffed a little bit, I think. I just love that design on there. I guess that's why I chose this one. Now I think I paid $25. I'll let you know in the description down below. But this was just $25. And you guys, I did a lot of YouTubing and listening to different ones. This one does have a really rich sound, but I really don't have a comparison. I don't have a comparison to go by of my own, so I can't really show you. The other thing is, I've been told, is you really need to use your nails. So I'm using the pads of my fingers, but I don't have nails, as you can see. And so let's see, they give you these little thumb pad thingies. So let's see if it makes it sound any better. So one for each thumb. This might be really well for me because then I only have to use my thumbs. Although I have noticed one person on YouTube, she was using like all of her fingers and really going. But most people just use their thumbs. Okay, those are pretty handy. And if worse comes to worse, I can always get a fake nail to put on my thumbs. I had fake nails on not long ago, and that's why my nails look so bad right now. So there you have it. This is my new instrument, the kalimba, and I'm really happy with it. I can't wait to start playing with it. So if you guys want to check out my other channel later, my Journey Tidbits, and there you'll see videos of my nursing journey, and then my new journeys that are coming up. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and please, if you like this type of video, please give it a thumbs up, and comment down below if you have a kalimba or what instruments you guys like playing, and subscribe if you haven't already. It's been great, you guys. I hope you all have a great day, and I will come back with more videos for you. I'm not giving up. I'm still going. Love y'all. Bye.